G'day, my name is Lockie from Tentworld Furniture Gully, and today I want to show you one of a couple of new stoves that we've just received from Outdoor Connection. This one is the Premier 3-burner stove. It comes with three 84mm 10,000 BTU burners, as well as a stainless steel drip tray and a piezo ignition, so you don't have to ignite the stove yourself. It's got a 1 meter long hose, which ends in a 3/8 fitting. It's also got a pressure regulator on the end of that hose, which helps with flame control and prevents gas blockages as well. That'll screw into a 3/8 gas bottle, but if you do want to screw it onto a POL gas bottle with a larger fitting, like the ones you get at a swap and go, you just need to use a small adapter, like one of these ones we have set up. We're going to do a quick test with 1.5 litres of water, see how fast it boils, but we've just set this up and we've been super impressed with the quality, and we think it's a really great option for those looking for something a little bit bigger and a little bit higher quality to take on your camping trip. All right, looks like it's boiled, and that's taken us just over 6 minutes, which is probably on the faster side of a stove of this size. Like I said, 10,000 BTU is a pretty hot burner for a stove like this. We've been really impressed with this stove. Overall, some of our favorite features have been the quality of the builds. It seems really solid, really well constructed, and the ability to simmer. It's got a really good temperature control with that pressure regulator on the end of the stove. We've also got this one set up today on the Outdoor Connection Easy As stove stand, which has got this great top stand for your stove, as well as a shelf underneath, which we're keeping our eggs on. These guys pack down really small, and they're a great way to set up a stove like this at your campsite super quickly. You can pick these guys up with or without the stand in any of our stores or online at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching.